Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Shockwave distro class. So what you need to do is go to your loadout battle royale page and tap the class page at the bottom of your screen. This is the class page. Total there are 5 class that I want to show you is this disrupt Shockwave class. So this is you can release a shockwave that push away and damage nearby hostiles, while also briefly blocking enemy projectile. So it will block the bullets from your enemy. And also it has a passive trait, disrupt. After activating this shockwave, your movement speed is increased. Let's try in the battle royale training ground. Welcome to the training ground. As you can see, there are 2 enemies in front of me. So let's try this shockwave. Tap the shockwave. You have to near the hostiles or the enemy. Let's try one more time. Like this. Tap. Your enemy will be shocked. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.